In this lesson, we are going to learn verb être in French. So what is verb être? Verb être means in English to be. So what is to be? To be is am is are, like we use in English. I am, we are, you are, she is, he is, they are. So same way we can use in French verb être. So how we can conjugate verb être in French? Let's see. Je suis. Je suis. You can repeat after me. So sometimes people also use je suis. Je suis. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. Tu es. Tu es. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes, here we have to pronounce like S sound Z, because in French the last letter is consonant and S, and next word start with vowel, then we have to pronounce last letter, and S we have to pronounce like Z. So it is vous êtes. Vous êtes. Next is il est. Ils sont. Elle est, elles sont, that we can use for feminine form, singular and plural. Now repeat after me, and I will also explain in English also. Je suis, I am. Je suis. Nous sommes, we are. Nous sommes. Tu es, you are. Vous êtes, vous êtes. You are. Il est, he is or it is, for masculine singular. Ils sont, masculine plural, they are. Elle est, she is or it is, feminine singular. And elles sont, feminine plural. Okay. Now you can make some sentences also, like je suis. If you make sentence like in English, I am a student. In English you can say, but in French you can say je suis étudiant. If you are a female student, then you can say je suis étudiante. T we have to pronounce. Okay. Now the assignment of verb être is write one sentence in comment, like how I made je suis étudiant. Instead of étudiant, you can use something else. But je suis with nous, tu, vous, il, elle, singular and plural. So total 8 sentences. Please write in the comment so you can be master in verb être. Merci beaucoup.